Okay, so this is Dr. Tim. This is another video in the series where we're talking about Legacy VAPA, and we are at the Long Beach Vocal Jazz Academy, and we're here with some of our new jazz choir members. We have about 10 of them, and Mr. Crevice. So let's talk to the students about what they thought about the program. Okay, so first of all, tell me what your name is.
My name is Kate.
And you're new to the jazz choir, right?
Yes.
So what did you think about today?
I thought it was a very huge learning experience. I learned a lot about tones and how to actually make kind of a unique voice.
And what did you do today? What did you do today exactly?
Today I went to workshops and I practiced as a group with different singers.
And right now we're going to go in and do what?
We're going to perform right now for parents and for the teachers.
Awesome. Okay, we're going to go over here. Grace, so you just joined jazz choir. So tell me about today. What did you do and how did it go?
Well, I learned more about like the momentum and like the force you put into your voice, projecting, all of that. I learned how to like harmonize better with the people surrounding me in different tones.
Yeah, and you got to know some. And you got to know some of the other people too. Right? Okay, awesome. Thanks.
Looks like
Okay,
Steve was trying to dab.
So your name is Maria. You've been in jazz choir, but what about today? What did you think?
I really liked all the breakout sessions. The mass choir was really fun. Well, is really fun to be in currently. And I learned a lot today, especially regarding scat, which I will definitely use in the future.
And now you're getting ready to do what? We're going to go and do what right
Relax
now?
for a bit, and then perform in the concert,
Okay,
and then go to sleep.
All right, awesome.
It was fun.
See how the bluebird holds the sky. Won't ever pause to wonder why she thrives miles above in an easy love. See how the sun beholds the moon without a care of fading soon. She shines night and noon. I want that easy love.
Feature Philip. It is going to feature Tessa. We're going to hear from Jake, and then we're going to hear a little more vocal improvising from Raymond and from our guitarist Zane. So, if you like the song Invisible Touch, you are in luck. Here we go.
Well, I've been waiting here so long. I'm thinking nothing could go wrong. But now I know she has a built-in ability to touch everything she sees. And now it seems I'm falling for her.